Hi everyone, thank you for being here and thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to be trying another rainbow swipe, but using only Amsterdam paints. So I wanted to see if I could get lacing with Pentetrol in my Amsterdam titanium white, swiping it over the other Amsterdam paints, and using Pentetrol only in the white and not in any of the colors. So I bought the primary colors, which are primary magenta, primary cyan, and primary yellow, and I mixed them to get the secondary colors, green, orange, and purple. But the purple was more of a blue color, like more of an indigo, so I just mixed equal parts of red and blue to get that color, and I ended up using Master's Touch Dioxazine Purple in my first swipe attempt on this video. So I didn't use any Pentetrol in any of the other colors because I wanted to see if I could get any sort of reaction with it in my Cell Activator alone. So I did end up going back to just using Master's Touch and swiping over those with my Cell Activator and got the results I wanted, because the lesson is that Amsterdam paints do not create lacing when I use that brand alone. So I'll let you watch the process I went through to learn all this to share with you. I hope you enjoy the video, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much.